Do you have any question for us? So this is the very important question, and you should always say yes. I mean, you can ask about lab dynamics, mentorship. You can also ask about collaboration opportunities, and you can also ask about like the expectations from a PhD students. Welcome to another video tutorial. Are you preparing for a PhD interview or going to appear before a selection committee and wondering what they might ask? So in this video, I will share my top 10 questions which you can expect when shortlisted for a position based on my own personal interview experiences. So let's dive in. The first question can be, why do you want to pursue a PhD? So by this question, interviewer want to know your motivation. I mean, is it curiosity, a stepping stone toward academia, or a specific goal? So you need to be honest, clear about your reasons. The second question can be, why are you interested in this particular project, lab, or university? So this will test your background research. I mean, you need to show how your interests align well with the lab work and why their environment suits your goal. So the third question can be, I mean, they will ask, tell us about your previous research experience. So in this question, you need to summarize your project, techniques used, and what you have discovered. So you need to keep it relevant to your PhD project if possible. And the fourth question can be, what do you know about this research we do in this lab? So actually through this question they want to see if you are genuinely interested and mention their key paper like methods and the research question they have already worked on. So the next question, I mean, what skills and the techniques can bring you to the project? So by this question you need to mention, I mean, hands-on lab or computational skills that match the project needs, whether it is PCR, R scales, or RNA-seq data analysis. I mean, you can discuss all those techniques one by one. So the sixth question is, describe a challenge you faced in your research and how you handled it. I mean, this is the most important question. Because science is always full of obstacles. I mean, you need to highlight your resilience, problem solving, and ability to perform under pressure. I mean, you can also mention a few examples. I mean, how you cope with those challenges you faced in your previous studies. So let's move to next question, and the question number 7 can be, I mean, how do you handle failure or unexpected results? So by this question they want to check your mindset. I mean, how you can show that you analyze result critically and how you view failure as learning opportunities. So the eighth question can be, what are your long-term career goals after a PhD? So through this question they want to know, I mean, if your future plans are realistic and align well with what they designed in that program for academia, industry, or something else. So the ninth question can be, have you worked independently on a research question before? This is the most important question. I mean, you should have both capabilities to work independent and to work in a collaborative manner as well. So as you know, the PhD training is about independent thinking as well. I mean, you need to give a few examples where you showed initiative or led a part of project in your collaborative team. So the last question can be, do you have any question for us? So this is the very important question, and you should always say yes. I mean, you can ask about lab dynamics, mentorship. You can also ask about collaboration opportunities, and you can also ask about like the expectations from a PhD students. So all these questions not only help your interviewer to understand you, but they will also show your competence for a PhD position. So, I mean, you need to prepare well, be confident, and stay curious. And good luck with your journey. So, if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe for more tips on research, applications, and molecular biology trainings.